Bitcoin's flying, man. Bitcoin is flying off the handles, up another 4% today. What's going on? Alex O Crypto, good morning. Let's get into the charts. Let's take a look. This is the morning. This is a beautiful, beautiful morning trade setups, morning look at the market. Let's take a look. Bitcoin here, massive push. Okay, beautiful, massive push. A little bit of a flag here. We were looking for a swing failure pattern down below, but let's see what we can extract from this today with the market cipher and all the good stuff. Okay, so we got the daily here. Let's go over the daily. I was looking at the daily initially here. That we have a lot of room on the momentum wave here, but the posturing on the VWAP is pointing down. However, when you get into like the 3-day, we were like, ooh, look at this. We got a nice little bounce. So we're getting the bounce here on the 3-day. And there is still room to the upside, in my opinion, on the momentum waves. Okay. Naturally, as we move up, we are making bearish divergence. However, it's pretty invalidated with this insane money flow. So what am I looking for today? I'm looking for a cool off. Okay. So it's GDP at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so we need to be prepared for that. Let me pull that up. That's going to possibly move the markets for us, but let's be patient. I'm not going to jump into a trade till after we get kind of an idea of the move, right? So we pull this over, economic calendar, GDP here, and then we got tomorrow we got core PCE. So these are two things that definitely do like to move the market. So we're going to be patient here. It's almost 8 o'clock right now. So we're just waiting to see what is going to transpire. Obviously, we got to move right last night early in the morning, so we can go over the 4-hour. Yeah, we started moving. We didn't have much chance to grab this, guys. We didn't have much chance to grab this. However, that's okay. That's okay. We were looking at this range and being like, hey, chop, 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 chop. There's some sort of flag formed here, and then obviously the breakout. The sentiment is mega bullish. Just going over to the Discord, and don't forget to join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. But we are at extreme greed. Shout out to Tony. Shout out to Jonathan Schaefer. Shout out to all you guys at the Otter Gang, man. We having too much fun over here. However, no one caught this move, so that's no good, man. We need to catch these moves. So coming over here, what can we see now? Continuation, 59,500, man. This is absolutely wild. So what do we see here? Let's break it down for the day. I like to go in the 5-hour. Let's say we have a 10-hour trading day. We're looking for 2 more candles. Can we get 2 more printing up to the naked point of control here? So that would be ideal. 6,100. Whew, 61,000. What am I saying, man? This is wild. 63,000. And then this right here, I'm looking for this to be established as a range. Okay, so I'm looking for Bitcoin to trade within this area. However, we can see the sentiment is extremely bullish. And why am I saying that? Is that I've pulled over some support and resistance from this area here where we were trading from before. Okay, so you can come as low as 57,000 around here, but then you got all the way working yourself around this range here and the top of this range here. So this is kind of my idea before we break the all-time highs. Wow, it's wild to be saying that. So let's go into the 1-hour. Actually, let's go into the 3-hour and check the 3-hour here. So we get the big bullish candle. We got the green dot. The money flows has crossed over into the green. We're coming down on the VWAP. This could be a little bit of a bounce. So let's watch this today for a bounce, coming down and bouncing up. And then we're going to go to the 2-day. What are we looking for here? Same thing, coming down, looking for the bounce continuation, right? Okay, held good support here. Money flow is just continuously pushing up. Now, this is going to be a good sign here. If we can get, in the next couple hours, a VWAP crossover, this could be a very bullish signal for continuation of this momentum. I was going to say momentum. Massive move to the upside. More coffee. I know, guys. More coffee. So let's keep our eyes peeled for that and make sure that we are prepared. Okay, 30-minute coming up to the 0 line as well. Okay, we're looking like we're flagging out. We did have a big scammy wick down. Okay, so be cautious. We're gonna get some news. This could be volatile AF. So what am I gonna look for a trade right now? So for me, as a trader on Bitcoin, I want to see a swing failure pattern. I'm only going long here, and that's got to be a break of this right here, whoosh, like that, and then not enough data here on that short-term time frame. Okay, we probably bounced off the golden pocket already. Let's check this. Swing low to swing high. Yeah, so we came down to the golden pocket 786. So I will continue to target that area just in case we do come down here. However, I am going to eye up this area too because I know this was previous support in the other range. So somewhere between here and here, am I looking for a swing failure pattern, right? Between 58,900 and 58,480. Okay. Or we can look for the massive blow off top and the continuation downwards and then that entry there. Okay. But for now, we're not looking for shorts. We can also be looking for the breakout of this and the continuation upwards. This is a lot more riskier, especially if you're trading within the next, hour, because news events will move the markets, right? And we don't want to get wrecked by news. So we could be flagging, pushing out. So we could catch the push out of this. Make sure we have confirmation. Okay, sometimes the market won't give you the confirmation. However, not getting the confirmation and not versus getting wrecked is a fair trade-off. Okay, so we want to see the confirmation of the breakout. Look for a 15-minute candle close above the trend line here. Okay, so we're looking at those areas for Bitcoin. Ethereum, same thing, massive move up. It's come down quite dramatically, so we could be expecting something more of a dump for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is just kind of how I would read it. So we can see we're forming some sort of downtrend here on Ethereum. It's looking to break out. Same kind of deal with that breakout trade. We're looking for that breakout trade. And then we're looking for this key level of support on Ethereum to hold and possibly double bottom here at 32.87. Look at the levels I give you guys, okay? I'm not trying to toot my horn, but I give you guys these levels all the time. And I ask you guys to take them down in case you are trading. If you're in the UK, you probably could have caught that short, right? You have these levels to help guide you on your trades. So just below, we also have here, and you can see how well they've been respected. You break out, you retest, you break out, you touch the previous level, then you retest. Okay, so it's all looking good. You're getting that beautiful upwards oscillation here and trigger wave on Ethereum. This looks hella bullish here on the 15. Okay, so be patient, but this looks like it wants to fire off on the 15. So this could be a possible trade setup here. You can either trade the breakout or you can trade the retest if you get it, right? Or you can just get into like the nitty gritty here and you can look for a little bit of a swing failure right here where you're getting something like this, right? And then you can look for that kind of entry down here. Okay, so be patient, but also note that this is looking hella bullish and it wants to pop off. Let's go over to Link because I know Tony would appreciate me doing Link. So Link here, sorry brother, it hasn't popped off the same, man, but it has had a little bit of a wick up key level of resistance as we continuously mark down these levels. 19.57. Okay, got rejected, coming back down. Not bearish engulfing. Okay, so it hasn't totally lost momentum here to the upside. However, with Link, I just be patient right now. You can see that it's trying to hold this upwards momentum line here. And let's see if we can crawl up and break through this key level of resistance. That's around 19.58. Okay, 19.58. And that's really the barrier right now into getting within this range here. So we want to see it push through, flip to support, and continue its work upwards. Okay. Very patient here. Now, what else has moved? Let's go over to the heat map. Let's take a look. So we got Bitcoin moving. We got Ethereum moving. Okay, we got Bitcoin moving today, baby. Let's go. Solana's up. Toncoin. Toncoin's up 37%, guys. Don't be chasing these things. Aptos, Kaspa, Hedera, Shiba. Everything's pumping, man. So Render's up 10%. SEI, Thorchain. So this is pretty exciting, guys. Make sure that you refresh those bags and give yourself a pat on the back if you've dollar cost averaged into some of these. I know I have with Kaspa. And we're looking to make some good money. I mean, continuation. Sometimes the spot buy is your best way, right? So check out these AI coins. Check out Toncoin. Make sure to keep yourself informed. What do we got across the board for the mains here? For us, we got Solana. Nice move up here. Continuation, pushing, okay? Looking to get above this high here at 118. We have 116 as our resistance, okay? Hasn't got there, but you do have bullish momentum, as you can see here. for the continuation upwards. We gave this trade setup here, and that banged as well. Okay, so that was a trade setup given in advance. Beautiful, beautiful trade setup down at the screen line right now. Looking for a continuation on Solana. Yeah, we got double bottom here, pushing up, anchor trigger, money flow. Yeah, looking good on Solana. ADA is flagging out. We have key resistance here. Yeah, nice move for ADA coming back up to these highs. Okay, it's going to take a little bit of power. You can see that he did get rejected here, 64 cents quite often. So it's going to take a little bit of power to get above there. But I do believe once ADA decides to move, it's moving. Okay, so be ready for ADA to blast off once it gets past that level of key resistance, right? You can see over here as well. Matic has yet to run. I believe that Optimism and Arbitrum are slowing down the Matic move, but Matic's going to go. Okay, Matic's going to go big deal, big energy. You know, it's got that big energy, Matic. So beautiful uptrend, just like Ethereum, looking to pop off, continue its work upwards. We came to this key level resistance at $1.06. Now we got $1.11 to deal with. The big picture here on Matic is this downwards trend line. Okay, so with Matic, you can see we've pulled the trend line all the way through right here. And if we break out of this downwards trend line, this is going to be a very astronomical move. If we're looking at where we drop down on the bear market, Matic should be up here, and that's around $1.50. Okay, so $1.50 Matic, I believe, is very, very close around the corner, and that's a beautiful, 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 50% gain. So keep your eyes out for Matic in that breakout. That could be a beautiful, beautiful trade incoming. Avalanche is still struggling a little bit, but it is making higher lows, okay, nonetheless. So still looking for it to continue its work upwards here and break out, right? Very good gaming narrative. We went over links. So that's the juiced, okay? We get in a move. We got GDP. Make sure to protect yourself, guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I don't know what you guys think, but we can keep doing these morning updates. Let me know in the chat down below if you like them. And let's get it today, guys. I'm going to go and hit up some trades. I'll let you guys know if I'm jumping in anything in the Discord. Much love to you guys, and peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my